Want to take your streetwear designs to the next level? Let's create a one-of-a-kind t-shirt design using AI and Photoshop. I'll show you how to generate stunning designs using Playground AI, then turn them into bold streetwear graphics with Photoshop. Perfect for beginners and pros. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on the freshest design tips and tricks.
What are you gonna do? Nice college boy, huh?
This image was generated using Playground AI before the latest changes. All assets and images used in this video are listed in the description. First, we're going to import our image. Already removed the background from all the images we're going to use in this tutorial. Resize it and place it in the right position. Select all the money layers and group it. Select the skeleton layer. Go to Adjustment Layer icon and create Threshold Layer. Increase the white area without losing the details. Now, by selecting the skeleton layer, go to Image Adjustment and Shadows Highlights. Try to increase the details by playing with settings. You can go back to Threshold Layer and lower it, or increase it depending on your image. Now press the hotkey Ctrl-Shift-Alt+E to combine layers in new layer. Hide the layer and drag the money group to the bottom of the threshold layer. Convert it to Smart Object. Now go back to Threshold Layer, change the settings. Select the money layer and go to Image. Choose Adjustment Shadows Highlights, experiment the settings. Now select the threshold layer and press the hotkey Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to combine the layer and new layer. Hide the skeleton layer and select the money layer. Go to Select Color Range in the selected section, choose Shadows and make a layer mask. Invert the layer mask with the hotkey Ctrl-I. Do the same steps to the skeleton layer. Create solid color pick color. Change the blend mode to multiply. Place it on top of the layers. Select the layer mask of the solid color layer and invert it with Ctrl+I. Hit B button for Pick the Brush tool. Change the mode to dissolve. Select the soft round brush. By pressing and hold the Control button and click above the skeleton layer, we're going to make a selection around the layer and start painting. I discover some part of the skeleton layer behind the money layer. I'm going to remove it. Now create another solid color. Pick color, change the blend mode to multiply, invert the layer mask, and start painting. Repeat the same steps. Now for the money, create solid color layer. Pick the color, invert the layer mask, hold the control button, and click on the layer to make a selection, and start painting. Now we're going to colorize money ties with the same steps from before. By pressing the control button and hold it, then click on the layer mask you want to make a selection of it. Then with the brush and by selecting the money layer mask, remove it to show what's behind it. Now create a new layer and fill it with gray color by press the hotkey Shift plus backspace. Convert it to a smart object. Reset the colors by clicking on this little icon and go to Filter Gallery. You can copy my settings for best halftone effects. Switch the blend mode to overlay. Create another layer and fill it with gray. Convert it to a smart object. Add some noise and blur it. Don't forget to change the blend mode to overlay. Now add text to the design. Convert the text layer to Smart Object. Click the little warp icon and choose Arc Upper. Put the text layer below the skeleton layer. Make a selection on the skeleton layer, and after that, make a layer mask to the text layer.